Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing great. I'm back with few more strange events and few more unexplained viral videos. So guys, fasten your seat belts and let's get started. So guys, in this video, cloud is broke and water is pouring out of it like it's a waterfall. Usually this phenomena happens in mountains or in hilly station, but here it's happening in jungle. Let me know, have you seen anything like this before? Now guys, in this video a ball appears from nowhere. Let's check the video out. Now guys, the security camera that belongs to this particular family in Clovis has spotted something strange, and that has given nightmares to this particular family. So the whole story is like this: whole family was eating dinner and suddenly her husband spotted something on the security camera. So he went to the screen to check what's there, and what he has seen is something unexplainable. Let me know your thoughts. First, let's check the video out. Now there was a news channel that was covering some kind of story in which we are not interested, but the thing in which we are interested is behind this story. So in the canvas that is sky, you can see something strange is moving in the clouds. Let's zoom in and check the video out. Now this strange creature was captured on camera. Upon close looking, you can see it has a tail and it has the eyes of like an animal. I don't know what it is. Let me know your thoughts. It's walking on two legs. Now guys, this guy has recorded some paranormal activity in his house, although I don't think this video is real, because opening of door and opening of drawers can be done with any kind of rope or thread. I'm not sure about this. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think about this video? Let's check the video out. Now guys, in this video a very rarely observed weather phenomena known as crown flash is shown. Let me know, have you seen this before, and let's check the video out. Now guys, this guy was chilling at his house watching TV, but suddenly he heard something, and when he went out to see what's happening, he heard something more strange. Let's check the video out. Now guys, this strange creature was seen and washed up on the Florida's beach. Although I'm not sure what it is, it looks like a dolphin with a long tail, but I still have no idea. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think it is? Guys, thunder lightning struck an under construction building in China, but fortunately there were no casualties and no one got harmed. So let's check the video out. Guys, this is the most sophisticated tunnel system till found made by the drug smugglers. This tunnel has basically the wooden flooring in it, and it has a rail system also. So this tunnel was found between Mexico and Arizona, United States. It is made by the drug smugglers to smuggle the drugs from Mexico to United States. Let me know your thoughts. Now guys, in this segment of the video we're gonna check out what's happening with the nature nowadays, and this particular video is coming from Indonesia, in which we can see high amounts of lava and high amounts of ash that is coming out of a volcano that is being erupted. Now guys, in my last video I have shown you there was a blast in Beirut, Lebanon, and there are few CCTV videos that have been emerged of that blast. So let's check those videos out. By the way, no one got hurt in all the CCTV videos shown. Now guys, in 2020 there are lots of accidents that are man-made, and this is one of them. This has happened in Russia on one of the petrol stations. Let's check the video out.
Меня аж огнем обожгло.
Now guys, few more natural incidents happening all over around the world. So this is the video that is coming from Italy, in which a water spout is shown. So let's check the video out.
si è bellissimo. Oh, guarda dal cielo, guarda dal cielo. Faccio l'applauso, hanno spezzato. Frate, gli alberi, si sono staccati gli alberi. Maria, ci sono male.
Ma ci sono messi i pescatori tipo
Ce n'è Covid.
Guys, now from Italy, let's just go to Greece, in which most of the parts of this country are affected by floods. Let's check the video out.
Ουδέν σχολείων.
Ολική καταστροφή 9 Αυγούστου 2020. Κάποιοι ανεύθυνοι μας καταντήσαν έτσι. Έλεος. Έλεος.
Guys, thanks a lot for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. And in case you are an Indian and speak Hindi, then I have another channel for you. I'll give the link in the I button as well as in the description below. That's it for now, guys. See you next video. Till then, take care. Peace.